wake up, I come on. I wake up, I come on. I wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know, no. Just what I want. So got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know, no. Just what I want. So got me low. No one ever saw the vision. Told me I was too young, too calm in this game, but I ain't vision. Something different, yeah, they turned me down. Told me I was tripped. Now we're planning trips and plotting on the mission. And because my age, man, it's been division. Dissipate away, man, it's my decision. Never been forced. Honestly, it's sick, now they making claims. That is so insane. Talking about our chains, but I've been this way. They said your dream's too big. Now take a look at what I did. I'm about to take over the game. No questions, boy, that's it. I swear to God. Blessings, never stressing. Every night I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know, no. Just what I want. So got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know, no. Just what I want. So got me low. I know they hate. I pay them no.
What up, chat? What up, chat?
Recording in progress.
But I should probably mention there's only one other kid could care less about what you did or what you doing. Honestly, it's too concentrated on my biz. I don't got time for the games. Don't pay no mind to these lames. I'm in my own separate lane. I mean, I'm just saying, I'm gonna put in all this work. I seen how far I can get. See all the hate, it don't work. We got the platinum. I wake up and count my blessings. Never stressing. Every night I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and count my blessings. Never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know, no. Just what I want. So got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know, no. Just what I want. So got me low.
All right. How we feeling? Welcome in. Happy Thursday. Good to be back. New York session. Ready to rumble? Ready to rock and roll? Let's go. Zoom. All right. How we feeling today, ladies and gents? What up, Wokey? What up, Ewan? Good morning, Carolina. What's up, Zen? Dropout Trader. Greg Ski's in the house. What up, Engineer 14? Only Bands in the building. Ecom Dre. Adam 8 Figs. Good to see y'all. Louis G in the house. What up, PM Magnifico? What up, Energy? Good energy towards energy today. Good vibes. What up, Diogo? Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Michael? What up, George? Poe? Zeb's in the house. Pablo, what's up, my man? How are you, brother? 3 Ants in the building. What up, 3 Ants? What's good? What up, the Don? The original Richard Lewis with the truth, as always. It's great to be that guy. It's just great to be that guy. What up, Jay Coop? Jay Coop in the house. What up, Wags? Good morning. Good morning, Xander. What's good? Mex Daniel. What's up? GG in the house. What up, everyone? Welcome in. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. If you're not subbed to the channel, give the stream a sub. All right. Let's rock and roll here. Let me move my Zoom chat. Morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening. Welcome in. Let's get the day started. Today is September 12th. It's another day, another opportunity. Another day, another opportunity. Hold on one sec. Let me just finish one more thing here. Okay, perfect. All right, let's lower the music and let's get started. So welcome in again. Welcome in. Today is September 12th. It is Thursday. It is another New York session back here at the Time to Eat Trading Hub. Yeah, man. Y'all ready? Back on the floor. Back on the floor here today. Let me pray, and then we're going to get started, and we're going to have a great day ahead of us here today. So let's pray. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a new day, Lord, a new day that we can, that we get to rejoice in, Lord, that we get to be able to come together, that we get to be able to participate in moving forward towards the calling you have upon our life, Lord. We know that it's blessed. I pray that the hearts and minds would receive it and understand that they get to do it, Lord. They don't have to do it. Don't make it seem like it's a burden to them, Lord, but something that they should be fulfilling in their life, Lord. We thank you for your plans over our life. We thank you for going before us, and we ask that you bless this day. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen, amen. Embrace it. God's got a great plan for your life. Doesn't matter what the Matrix have told you. Doesn't matter what the pre-programming is. I'm here to help you get some new programming and tell you that you can do it, that we believe in you. And if you're here today and you've got a dream and a vision, then that is the most important thing in your life. You need to guard it with everything you've got, and you've got to fight for it. Got to fight for it, man. It's always worth the fight. All right, it's always worth the fight. So we're going to come in today and move one step further to those dreams and goals of 8-figure traders and freedom, all right? Freedom, baby. So let's go ahead and get started. It is the 12th day of September again. Another day for us to be professionals. We're just here to observe today. We're not here to make any claims that the market owes us anything. We're not here to demand anything out of the markets. We're just here for a good time. We're just here to observe, to pay attention. And if our playbook setups happen to show up, then we will look to trade the markets here today. Cool? No expectations. No expectations. I'm sorry. I've been talking for days at this point, so I'm not even too sure how long I've been talking. But let's see what we got going on in the news here today. So 8:30 comes around. We've got a PPI coming in today. So we got PPI coming in. That's pretty much the big red folder here for us. Other than that, nothing too crazy. You know, natural gas storage later on. Just some orange folders here, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, pretty much it. So just 8:30 here today. We should look towards, and we'll see if we can catch some positions. We got some volume coming in, so that will be fun. That'll be fun. So let's go ahead and get into the technicals, and let's. We've been trading away here today in the Asian and London session. I think we were up like 3 trades at this point now. So we're looking to see what else we can do here for the New York session. So let's do a top-down analysis. Let's get our bias here for the session, and let's like the stream. Yeah. If you guys like the stream yet? Let's see. Let me check on you guys. Yikes. Yikes. Holy. All right, if you can get the stream a like, that'd be awesome. Let's get started here, and let's take a look at the technicals, starting on the daily time frame here. So looking at the daily is absolute mess, right? Just a complete mess on the daily time frame. No surprise, you know, we've moved up here quite a bit. Gold is basically ran out of energy at this point, right? So we've had a big bullish run here on the weekly and the daily time frame. We broke all these highs, and now pretty much all we've been doing the last couple weeks, two and a half weeks, has been ranging, right? Just been ranging in this zone right here on the daily time frame. So we know we have a resistance here, right? Resistance level. We have a support level right here, and then we're just basically bouncing from the top to the bottom, top to the bottom, top to the bottom, and really just trying to shake this range here, you know, for quite some time. So we haven't been able to do that. We weren't able to do it with NFP. We weren't able to do it with CPI. So I'm sure we will break out, but when is the big question here. So until we do break out, we're going to trade the range. It's a tradable range here, and we're going to look at candles by candles, right? So we know that this candle had came down, right? It basically closed that support, created a new support, candle started pushing up, right? We came overall into this zone right here, and price closed bearish, right? So we had a bearish close there yesterday. And, you know, we talked about this yesterday, about this candle coming down, making a lower wick, coming up, filling the range here, and then having some downside to it. So no surprise, we sold off there in a New York session yesterday, and then we closed bearish, right? So if we're closing bearish at this point, we're about midway through that range. We may be able to retest the bottom of the range if this daily candle here decides to break its own low. Okay, so during Asian session, we expected this candle to make a top wick, in which it did. London session started pushing us down, right? And now we've kind of just been consolidating since like London open at this point. So the idea here is, have we made a top wick to now start pushing down to fill that wick and maybe retest the lows here? So pretty bearish based off of the daily candle closure from yesterday. Again, we are in this range. Price can go any which way at this point, so just got to prepare ourselves for both buys and sells here today. But pretty bearish based off of that closure. We also have a bearish 4-hour candle currently. We did create resistance on the 4-hour, and we're in a bit of a choppy zone here as well in the 4-hour time frame, right? So you've got these areas right here. We're really just consolidating at this point, not really doing too much, right? We've kind of filled the wick. We've, you know, ran into the lows at this point. So yeah, you know, this thing may move up, may move down. We got to see what the lower time frames are looking like to get an idea of what to do in this range here. So yeah, no wick on the, I guess it's the previous 1-hour close. Yeah, so previous 1-hour closure, you got no bottom wick here. So this was pretty much your range for the most part, right? So if you get a closure below, you have clean traffic to the left. You did get a closure, but you know, you're about 80% through the range here, and you closing with no wick at the bottom. So nothing there for me. We'll see what happens now as we retest the zone. We may close back in the range, right? So if we close back in the range, then I think we just continue to wait. Let's go ahead and see what the 30-minute looks like as well. Yeah, 30-minute fake out incoming. Nope. Yeah, we close back in the range here. So yeah, so 30-minute close back in the range. You got a bit of a fake out. This range is about 34 pips. So we got about a 34 pip range. The last 15-minute close like doji here. So nothing really to do right now for me, I would say. We'll see what happens. If we stay out of this range, right, and create a resistance, then we may continue our movements down here today. So let's go back to the 30-minute time frame. Pretty choppy at this point, right? Pretty choppy. So probably gonna look to see if we fake out here, right, for sells, as both the daily and the 4-hour are bearish. So potential fake out somewhere back in the range, and then I'll look to take my sells. This is gonna be your daily wick fill right here. So targets are definitely, you know, these support levels today. Let me just do this. But how are we gonna get down there, right? So gonna pay attention, see how we react back towards the bottom of this range here. Maybe sells coming up. If not, we let price push up and look for some sort of fake outs up here. Yeah, we haven't really. Let's go take a look at that 4-hour high here. We created 4-hour resistance, so I don't want to be jumping on these buys too quickly here. So yeah, just gonna wait, see what happens within this range, and fake out. Yeah, fake out for sells. Yeah, and then just see how we do. Yeah, not gonna be bullish probably until we get above these 30-minute highs here. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. We'll see how we do. We may kind of come up here and push a little higher, right, and then begin to create resistance again like last time, something like this, and then sells are pretty valid at that point. Come back down. If not, I want to see maybe a bearish closure, some sort of new support, right, and then a closure back above for buys. And we should be good. So those are the two options. We're in a bit of a choppy area right now, so these ranges may switch up at some point during the session, but that is the vibe for right now. Yeah, that's it. Lower the music? Yeah, I got you. Yeah, this song is so loud. Alright, so that's the game here for me. Let's see the 1 hour. 1 hour is very clean above the highs here. So that is, it's very hard to be bullish while this 4 hour candle is still extremely bearish, right, in this range. So yeah, gonna wait on that for buys and just wait for fake outs here. Oh. That's it. What up, JB VIP? Good morning. Good morning, Andrew. What's up, bro? All right, let's clone these. And yes, so that is my day here as of right now. So we'll see where NY Open pushes us, but this is your daily target down here. You know, if your daily candle flips here, we should come on down to fill these wicks. So we'll see if we want to flip bearish on the daily. The 4 hour candle has a lot to do with that. So if we end up closing, you know, above here, then chances are that daily candle is not coming down today. Cool. Stephen B. Yo, my throat is cooked. Yeah, man, I've been talking since Monday. Since Monday. $50 likes? What? No way. No way, no way. What's up, Randall? Good to see you, man. What's up, J Dot from the West Coast? What's good? Stephen B with the morning coffee. How did you take the London sell here? So yeah, we took sells. Excuse me, man. My voice is probably gonna be choppy here today. We took sells here during the London pre-London. So you had a price moving up quite a bit. You know, kind of looking towards this wick fill here on the 4 hour chart. This 4 hour candle right here, shooting to fill that wick. Same thing with the 1 hour. You had that wick to fill. 30-minute as well. So as price continued pushing up, we understand that the daily candle needs to make a top wick, right? So that is this move right here. So that's your daily candle making its top wick, right? And as we begin to approach these zones, you fill that wick. Therefore, this is probably where the daily candle is going to begin to turn around now, right? So what do we see? We see this rejection right here. So a big rejection, very small wick. Wick has been filled, target has been tapped. Daily candle in position to start driving down, and then volume coming in with pre-London. You have this small wick right there. So we took the entry right there on the wick, and we were pretty much targeting that candle right there with no bottom wick, and then obviously, you know, this level right here. So pretty much I closed right around here once we got to this zone right here, and then most of the other guys and girls closed when we had no bottom wick, and then I believe a few people held for the rest of it. Yeah, it was a good trade. Nice little fade position pre-London. That happened to be the big volume candle. Looking at it, you know, looking back here, so it worked out well. Worked out well. It was a good read too. You know, we understood that this was our daily candle making its top wick. The other thing about this is that the 4 hour candle closed with no top wick, and what we did was we just pushed up right away. So anytime a candle closes, especially a 4 hour candle, and the next one just drives up immediately in the first like 5 minutes, that's sketchy right there, right? So a lot of times that candle is going to end up turning around and breaking its own low, and then that can be your entry there. So this candle made a low. I think the low is sitting like right here. Boom. So it made a small little bottom wick, pushed up right away, finished the job on that wick fill right there, and then as it turned around, Bam, that was our entry. Just happened to be the break of the previous, yeah, right here. The previous 30-minute lows right there, this wick. And yeah, that was it. Pretty quick push. Pretty quick push. Took the same trade. Nice. W. W, W. What's good from China? What up, what up, what up? Wow. What's up, Jamil? The groomsmith in the house. What's good? What's good? What you guys do during Asian in London? Anything? Zipper. How we feeling, Zipper? How we feeling? What up, Zoomers? Let's pull up the Zoom chat. Oh, yo, my bad, boys and girls. Sorry, guys. Just over here, listening to my raspy voice. No music. Sorry, Zoom. Morning, everybody. Morning, morning. All right, back in the range we go here. Back in the range we go. Took London buys at 4:15. Very nice. Where is that? 4 a.m. Oh, nice. Nice support. 1 hour support. 4:15. Nice job, energy. Nice, nice. Beautiful. What's up, Dan? Hey, who's holding NASDAQ buys from yesterday, man? Damn, this thing is exhausted now. It's like, don't talk to me till I'm at morning coffee. Wow, right up we go. See, now the 4 hour coming back up here. Hour ripping back up. I'm more disciplined since you joined the community. W. W. Do I send my kids to public schools? I do not. My kids are still young, and but they won't go to public school either way. I just don't agree with the curriculum in the public schools. That I don't want my children to have that programming in their mind. So I figured I'll just do the programming myself. What up, DJ Scratches? DJ Scratches. Oh, oh. How did your win trade numbers change? I won more trades. That's how it always changes. When we win another trade, the number of win changes. When we lose another trade, the number of losing trade changes. So I think since I seen you last, I think we covered up 2 wins and 1 loss. Or 3 wins and 1 loss. And 1 break even. Yeah, you guys do know I trade off of YouTube, right? You guys do know I have a whole community. The clubhouse that we trade live, Asian, London, and New York sessions, right? Been trading. The math is math. Traders trade. Swedish government is making homeschool illegal. Wow, that's insane. Imagine that. That's like, you can't spend time with your family members. Yeah, I don't know what's going on out there. Watched the webinar for the first time last night. Nice, man, nice. Very informative. Yeah, helps. Yeah, the webinar is now available. So anybody in the clubhouse, you guys can watch the webinar. I think we dropped it yesterday. So you guys can go back and watch the webinar. It was really, really a lot of good information. It was very quick too. It was about an hour, 10 minutes. But man, a lot of information, short period of time. Z Gamer, how we feeling? How we doing? Check charts for stream? Yeah, of course. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. PM Magnifico. All right, let's see what we got here. So this is going to be 30-minute close doji bullish. All right, at least. So this is what? Gold, 30-minute time frame. Important level. Decided to go low risk. Entered on the candle flip. Oh, nice. Nice. So you caught this move up. Yeah. Fire. Yeah, you were starting to lose steam here. Running into that zone. Never closing below 4 a.m. volume. Yeah, good trade. W. Oh, here's Energy's London buys. Let's take a look. We got breakout, previous 4-hour bullish. Okay, new 4-hour tap resistance. All right. Buys above, sells below. Clean range to the left. Close partials at 11. All right, perfect. Trailed stops to next candle's low. Okay, lovely. So entered on this candle. All right, break even point. Okay, confirmation here. Breakout, room to move up. Yup, perfect. Trading candle. Okay, good. I like it. Close partials in this area. Yeah, right at this zone. W. Nice clean range to the left-hand side. Looking over on the other side of the waterfall, seeing what could be in your way. And notices that range. Closes partials. Perfect energy. Good job. Good work. Just watch it again too. Oh, nice. on 1.5 speed. Smart man. Once you have more experience, is it easier to trade other sessions? Yeah, it is. For probably 3 years, I only traded really the New York session. Yeah. Yeah, I would stick to one session, the session that works best for you in the beginning as a new trader. And then, as you get more chart time, more experience, then you can kind of naturally just, that'll just like naturally happen. Oh, damn. A lot of you guys watched the webinar. Just watch it between London and New York. W. Putting in the work. Putting in the work. Minute fake out. Yeah. Yup. Moving up quickly here. So we got 13 minutes before NY open, and then we should have some more volume coming in. Looks like volume starting to hit, but we're back in this range and just waiting on that 1 hour candle here. Why are American schools not safe compared to the rest of the world? Most likely because of the leadership, you know, the morals, the direction, the narrative that the leadership in America is trying to, I guess, bring the people. You know, they're trying to create peasants out here. So it seems like the more and more I look at it, the more and more that they're trying to step in the way of capitalism and free enterprise. So they don't want that. They don't want to see you win, like DJ Khaled said. So they're going to program you to be dumb, stupid, and broke. And just a yes man. Abide by the system. And it starts in the schools. It starts right in school. What's up, Barry? No better place to get them than at the age of 3 or 4, when the subconscious mind is wide open. Get them right there. Yes. Slap them with a paycheck, tell them that they're free. How many more? Oh, news is gonna come out at 8:30. So we got about like 40 minutes, 45 minutes for news. What's good, Zebs? How you doing, man? That's ridiculous. Which part? Which part? What's up, Tills? Good to see you, man. Yeah, so we're gonna have some news coming in here at 8:30 today. Yeah, PPI coming in, so this should bring this should rip price around a bit. It should get pretty volatile here around 8:30, and then that should really help us out on the 4-hour time frame as well. 4 hours like all iffy here. No wick, doji, undecided, right? Still some time left on this 4-hour candle, but overall it's kind of confused. So we would like to see a nice closure here, right? Get some good direction. What's cooking? Everything, man. Oh yeah, we do have some rate cut decisions coming in at like 8:15. That's right. When do I sleep? Nah, just when I'm tired. Whenever I'm tired, I just take a sleep. So you're gonna tell me that the rate of capitalism and the free enterprise and the freedom of free enterprise, you're gonna tell me that that hasn't diminished a little bit over the course of the last couple years? I didn't say we didn't have it. I said they're trying to take it. Where did I get these glasses from? These are from Gunner. Gunner. Yeah, Gunner's got really good blue light glasses. They're a good brand. Stephen B. Yo. Webinar was amazing. Yeah. Yeah, it was good. It was definitely good. Straight to the point. Straight to the point. Yeah, the blue light glasses, there will keep me awake. How to handle BE trades? Just move on to the next one. Caught me a pair. Get him, Stephen B. Get him. Yeah, they're a good investment, especially if you look at screens and you gotta sit at a desk and stuff like that throughout the day. I would definitely get them. Hitting with those fluorescent lights. What's up, Ben? Yeah, the glasses, the brand is called Gunner. I got the Gunner Sages, and I got like 3 pairs, all different like styles. Yeah. Nice, nice. Good to see you here, Ben. Good to see you. Good to see you. Where is Zoom here? Adam ate figs. It's early over there, huh? Still dark. Beating the sun up, baby. Beating the sun up. What up, Zoomers? 60 people in Zoom. What's good? Rodell in the house, my man. Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. What up, laddie? Travis? What other books outside of the Bible for reading growth? So many, man. So many. I really, really love The Magic of Thinking Big. It's such a great book. It's an easy read too. It's you know, I would say Think and Grow Rich. Like these are some really, really incredible books. Like Think and Grow Rich, Magic of Thinking Big. The Power of Positive Thinking was always a good one for me. There's so many. The 5 a.m. Club. What to Say When You Talk to Yourself. The Tongue of Creative Force. That's a really good one, especially for self-improvement. There was a really good book I read. It was called Getting Back to Happy. Awesome book. Random book, but a great one. There was another book called Back to Alive that, man, if you want to just develop some sense of like gratitude in life, that was such a good book. Back to Alive. It was a story book, but it was good. Had a lot of meaning in it. Can gold make a all-time high with the help of news? It could. It could. I'm surprised didn't do it with CPI. We came right up to the previous weekly highs, but now we're coming back up towards that way. So the daily candle's trying to stay bullish here, it looks like. 4 hour coming back up. 1 hour trying to close above. So yeah, let's see. What up, Lewis? Osama. Oi. Oi. What's up, Project Toro? Yeah, we did take one trade in London. It was a 30-minute fade right here on this candle right there. Entry was right there on the break of the low there. Yeah, it's not the cleanest too, by the way, on the way up there for buys either, so it's a bit choppy. These matching up? Yeah, they're matching up. We matched today. Oh, I don't think I ever read that one. The Groomsmith. I really do like the author, though. Listen to a lot of his stuff. Pretty good. All right. Let's see what the 1 hour's got. We got a closure here in about 1 minute on the 1 hour candles. What up, Scott? There he is. There he is. We missed you in the London session. We missed ya. Australia in the house. Oh, 10 p.m. Coming across 10 p.m. Yeah, you're living in the future. Imagine you're just ending your day and I'm just beginning mine. The sun is just coming up here in good old Tampa, Florida. All right, you got this 30-minute resistance here as well, so let's make sure we account for that there. And that's our pretty much our range. Ricky. That's good. Johnny Gems graced us here in London session. Now the question is, will he make it to New York? He made it to London. He's gonna be here. I believe in him too. All right, cool. So we got a 1 hour closure here. 4 hour still open, obviously. 1 hour closure pretty much right at resistance, a little below the 30-minute resistance here. So either way, it would be very nice to get some sort of like 15-minute bearish candle and then a closure above, right? If we can get that, I like the buys there. We did break that 4 hour high here, so we'll see. We're gonna approach these previous 4 hour highs right now, so we'll see what we do there. But yeah, if we're gonna move up, I think we need a new support here, some sort of a bearish closure, and then you get a bullish candle closing back above the range there, and now we've got a support, we've got a breakout, we've got a wick to fill, we've got volume, and everything should be a-okay. Willie, what's up, Willie? What's good? Did we get anything in London? Yeah, we got that 30-minute fade there. Just moved down. It's like these two candles right here. Let's see, Melly. Hey, how'd you guys do, man? I literally fell asleep on you guys in Asian last night. Yeah, dude, I was gone. Had to do it. Yeah, I went to help out with Maverick. Your boy was out. Yes, that's right. So yeah, I don't know how I got lucky here. So we took a buy right here. So we took a buy on this candle right here for price to fill this range, right? I opened up 7 contracts. Stop loss was sitting down here, right? Stops got hit. So this is where I actually fell asleep. Stops got hit, but it only closed me out of 2 contracts. So this trade was sitting wide open with no stop loss, no entries, or no stop loss, no TP, just literally there with five contracts on the GC chart here. So I don't know. I guess I went a little bit deeper in the drawdown, probably like 36 pips, which actually isn't too bad. And then yeah, I woke up and we were pushing way up here, and I'm like, oh my god, I was still in the trade, so got about 40, you know, like 39 pips out of it. Yeah, I have no idea how that happened. No clue. How would it close only 2 contracts? Anybody, what did I do? I have no idea. So weird, but I'll take it. I'll take it. I got hit with an unlucky hit the other day, and then we got nice little luck last night, so it works for me. Give and take, give and take. How do we become members of the clubhouse? Just go to the website, timetoeattrading.com, and then you could become a member right there. Yeah. Them good deeds coming back. I was like, woke up 1800. I'm like, we'll take that. Nobody knows nothing. Yo, we got back on the stream in London. I started telling everybody about it. They're like, what? By the way, London was hilarious last night, man. These guys are comical. George, Mr. George VDM. We had George, we had Magnus up there, we had John. It was a good London sesh. Yeah, hero of the day. Could you believe that, man? Literally, I was like, yo, I'll be right back, guys. I was helping Anna get Maverick ready for bed. Kid was out. How many hours do I usually sleep? Usually like good like 6. Usually go to bed around like 11. It's like 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, like 6 hours. Lately, I just been getting like 2-3 hours and then getting back up. Only the top G's were in London. Yeah, London was good. I've been in a losing streak of 11 trades now. Starting to lose some confidence. Yeah, size down. Put your trades, some trades and charts for streams so I can help you out. You know, let's get a second set of eyeballs on the trades, see what you're doing right, see what you're doing wrong, and we can make the corrections. Simple corrections. It's been a little bit of a choppy month here with the daily as well. I've taken quite a few losses myself this month. 1, 2, 3, 4 losses here. So all good trades though. All good trades. Couple celery plays. But yeah, it's a little choppy. Last 2 or 3 weeks have been choppy. What time do I sleep? I usually go to bed around 11 p.m. and then wake up at like 5 a.m. That's typically like my regular sleep schedule. Gold sport? Nah, no reason. I don't think. I use the comics futures chart. Comex. The Comex. You guys call it Comex or Comex, huh? Tell me in the chat. You call it Comex or Comex? Yes, market conditions haven't been the best the past few weeks. I agree. I believe we can blame that on the daily time frame here on gold. Yeah, just blame it on the daily. Because look at that. Look at that thing. Sheesh. Yeah, actually, hero of the day. That's nothing like that has ever actually worked in my favor. So it felt good, you know, felt good for something to work out there. Get a little luck here in the markets. Comics. Alan Forex in the house. What up, bro? How you feeling, man? Yeah, I was telling the guys in the clubhouse, guys and girls in the clubhouse, that like, you know, you gotta, once you have a season and a system, and you go through like cycles and the full years, right, and you do that multiple times, you begin to learn like there are going to be slow months, there's going to be very volatile months, there's going to be sometimes going to be slow months, and you just gotta know how to adapt, right? Everything we do here is a mental game, right? So you gotta know how to adapt. The issue is some traders, they can't make the switches too quick. They don't know which one they're in. Are they in a fast pace type of month? Are they in a slow one? You know, and they just treat everyone the same. So like, you know, if you go back to like how many trades we've taken here. So I think one would consider we're kind of moving in towards like a slower season here this month of September, but we're still on the board here, right? We're still on the board. We're actually, look at last year's September, right? We already got more trades on the board here than last year. But the point is that sometimes you're going to have slow parts of the year in your system. Sometimes you're going to have very like busy seasons. So like us in June, right? Look at all the trades that we took in June. So what was going on in June? We had a lot of volume. Our system was calling for entry over and over and over. Everything was, you know, lining up for us to enter. We were getting our bottom wicks. We were getting our closures. Everything was lining up, right? And we were in a very, like big momentum month there, right? In our system. But that same month, there was another trader who their system was very slow, you know, and their system wasn't calling for entries all the time, and it wasn't calling and showing them A+ setups according to their style of trading. So just because, you know, and now maybe look in September where we feel ours is a little slow, somebody else's strategy is heating up, you know, so it all depends on, you know, how long can you stick with one strategy before you begin to understand the cycles of when there's going to be a lot of trades, when there's not going to be a lot of trades. The issue is most people they strategy hop, right? So a lot of times they just happen to go at the worst time, right? You just happen to come in because the markets know how to reward you, right? And when you're trying to cheat the game, typically you're going to go, let's say this guy's system's been really good all month. You're going to get there and you're going to enter the slow season for him. And you're like, this one don't work. And then you're going to go over here, try this strategy. And because you keep jumping, you tend to show up when things are slow. And then you go, people don't make money in trading. Trading's not for me. And then you go back to your job over here. That's all the way in there. Yeah. So you got to stick with one system for long enough to go through the cycles to understand these things about the markets. That was a lot of traders' issues I seen last year. Was a lot of newer traders came in and they didn't really understand how to roll with the punches, how to adapt, you know, to the season that we were trading in. So just keep that in mind. You know, so your slow season is somebody else's fast, and vice versa. Lights fire in the house. What's good? What's good? What's good? What up, Magnus? Morning, bro. Sandman in the house. What up, Sandman? That man's everywhere. That man's everywhere. He's like sand when you go to the beach. It's just everywhere. You come back to the hotel, it's in the hotel. You go to the car, it's in the car. You go back home after vacation, the sand comes with you, man. That's Sandman right there. That boy's everywhere. Every session, that man's crushing it. Little sand here, little sand over there. Nobody knows nothing. How could I accept my loss, sir? Just accept it, brother. Just accept it, man. We win, we lose. It's all good. It's like, how can a baseball player accept a strikeout? You know, it's part of the game. So I think what you really need to do is not learn how to accept the loss, but learn how to accept the game you're playing. You know, once you understand that, then you know that losses come, and losses are a part of it. What's my average RR? Probably like 1 R. Yeah, like one of our slower points was like February. You know, that was one of our slow points, but at the same time, that was probably somebody else's best month ever, you know, according to their strategy. So, just gotta stick to one thing, man. Stick to it. You can do it. Sand everywhere. Guys, please like the stream and subscribe. WYY. Why? Somalia in the house. What up, Muhammad? So yeah, let's see what happens here. Again, 1 hour kind of faked out back in the range. We're not outside of the range just yet either. So the buys aren't too valid just yet. Sells aren't valid just yet. So just gotta wait here. Magnus, how we feeling, bro? Is it good to fade right now? So it looks like it's kind of cooking up a little bit, but I don't have all the confluence I'm really looking for right now. We're not, you know, this 4 hour candle here, it can literally flip back bearish at any point now. So yeah, unless we actually get a support here, then I'm gonna be looking for the fake out at this point. So if this candle can close like bearish and then we get a closure above, that would make much more sense to take buys here. Now we got a brand new support, like I like to say, a brand new closure above. You got a wick to fill, NY volume coming in, but I would just stay put right now. There's news coming in here in just a few minutes and no need to try and you know, jump the gun. The last 3 trades that we took prior to news, we got burnt. All 3 of them. Feeling a blader. Stephen B, how was that rest, man? Stephen B was in the house for London session. Did you get a couple hours or what? Something light? George VDM in the house. What up? Bring me my putter. Oh wow, oh my bad. I gotta go scroll down. I'm missing 41 messages. Sorry, Zoomers. It was hard to get back to sleep. It is hard to get back to sleep after you take a nice little W. It's like, how do you go back to sleep? But if you're tired enough, you'll get there. CPI was yesterday. Yeah, CPI already happened. What's up, Peter? Well, oh yeah, Scott, what the heck? Woke up at 3:30, realized, yeah, I was like, is this guy up for the day at 3:30? Damn. Should have came for London. So what, you just woke up? Like randomly? How many trades did I take? I think we took three trades today. Yeah, it was like 2 winners, 1 loser. They were all taken in the clubhouse. Yeah, that was since Asian session. Volume typically drops right now. Yeah. Yep. It's probably gonna wait for news. Wait for news to come in. What's up, Design Forms? Doing great. How are you? Feeling fantastic, energized, fulfilled. Got more energy than I know what to do with right now. It's hard to sit here. Stephen B, man, you need to move to Tampa. We gotta hang out more, bro. Why is this guy so cool? Yeah, here comes your 820 push. So you should have a little volume coming in off of the COMEX open. You say COMEX or COMEX depending on how much money you have. All the fancy traders say COMEX. I don't know, I still say comics, like comic books. COMEX, yeah. Cool, we might be grabbing some liquidity here. Broke the 4-hour highs, nice. We had some, I don't think a lot of people traded London last night. Didn't have many charts here. Ricardi working. He is. Let's get it. Let's get it, brother. Floor by floor. How's your little guy doing, man? It's good? Yeah? Good, good. Someone leaked the news. Maybe, maybe. We'll see how we do here. Should come up to that wick fill here. Come on, Stephen B. Let's tell the fam we're gonna go on an adventure. Honey, we're moving. She's like, honey, you're moving. I'm staying right here. She said, we'll talk about that later, Steven. This is unreal behavior. It happens from time to time. Quick push up. Sometimes they price the news in. Sometimes they're trying to grab liquidity. They're trying to activate buyers. Who knows? Who knows what's going on? That's why I typically like to wait for after the release. So that way things smoothen up a little bit and everything gets priced in and we can get some direction. Oh yes, that's right, the rate cuts, right? Came in? Oh, by 60. Okay. Wow, so they did a rate cut here. So that's why you see gold moving up. Yeah, we should fill that wick here within the next 6 minutes. Here we go. Not interested in this at all, but if you guys are interested, I'm gonna wait for news to come out. Hey, I love you too, man. TK? TK? Yeah, you'll probably see TK today. That may have been working. Growing a small account, just like the same way you would grow like any account, just trade by trade. Obviously you're gonna have to go a little smaller in terms of like size and all that, but that's fine. Just take it trade by trade. Don't over risk it, don't over trade it or anything like that, and just one trade at a time. Yeah, the way you really grow any account is just one trade at a time. You know, just follow your system. I know it sounds so like cliche and mundane, but there's really no secrets. You know, there's nothing like, there's no secret advantage for the most part outside of edge. Edge is the only secret advantage, and it's not a secret. Do you think we get all-time highs today? Oh, I don't know. All-time highs. How far are we here from the all-time highs? 200 points. 200 points away. Anything could happen here on gold. Jerome pulling up. Yeah, Wednesday. Yeah, let's have a look into next week a little bit, because hopefully we can break out of the daily range here next week. Yeah, look, they moved unemployment. Oh no, this is okay, Monday. Yeah, so next week should be nice. Should be nice. We got red folder news pretty much every day next week. Always edge. Yeah, just always act on edge. That's it. Find an edge, act on the edge. If the edge isn't there, don't act at all. And keep it simple. You ever notice when you ask like big time traders, you know, like what, you know, any sort of questions like that, they typically look at you like you got like a couple heads, you know, they're like, what do you mean? Like there's really no secret, right? It's just follow the plan day in and day out. Keep things extremely simple and don't complicate this. Don't complicate it at all. Just stick to one thing that works. Until you have a boatload of money, more money than you know what to do with, enough money to where you're just throwing it around in your bed, then you can, try and reinvent the wheel and, create new things and do all that. But if you need money right now, you might as well just stay very tight knit to a system that could produce it right at the end of the day. And then once you got all that figured out, then you can go around and create and make new strategies and do whatever you like. But all it is edge. That's it. All right, here comes the 8:30 news now. So we'll see where we go. John Stew's in the house. Back for New York, he made it.
Yo, what's up, my man?
There he is.
Good morning.
Just in time for 8:30.
Yes, sir. See the fireworks?
How we doing?
It's good. Doing good, brother. How you doing?
Did you get some rest?
Yeah, I did. Took about an hour nap.
Oh, nice.
Yes, sir. What about you? You got any rest?
A little something.
Nice. Oh, boy. Yo, what's good, chat? How you guys doing? Good to be back.
Little some. No, I don't mean the code word. Man, just sneeze if you need my help. I don't need your help.
Just a couple minutes of sleep.
That was not a signal. That was not a code word to go down to the 30-second chart and look for this resistance to form and take the sell. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good to have you in the London session, John.
Hey, bro, it was great to be there, man, and what a fire trade.
Good trade.
Sniped.
Yeah, good trade too. Forgot about that.
Yes, sir. Yeah. It was a great session, great vibe.
Me and John got caught up in the craziest rainstorm yesterday. It was nuts. Absolutely nuts.
It's crazy.
Here comes the news. Looks very similar to what we see over here, right? If we break this low and push down, same type of deal here. So
we got PPI.
230. We got green numbers here for PPI. So yeah. Green numbers on the dollar. We'll see what happens after breaking these lows now.
Good chat. What's good? Happy Thursday.
Yeah, it was kind of like a hurricane, man.
Yeah.
There's a lot of rain.
Pretty much, man.
We went out for a walk and got caught in it. But we didn't get caught in it. We got caught, but we hit up this little clubhouse. Like the clubhouse. We hit this little clubhouse up. Stayed in there and it just poured for like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
So then we're
it was crazy though.
Let's make a run for it.
Shouldn't have done that because the roads were flooded. Pretty much I was underwater from my knees. Yeah.
Florida's trippy, man.
Right.
Like if you just happen to not even like look out your window and just came out this morning today, you would have never known that there was like knee deep water yesterday in the afternoon, like outside your house. Crazy.
Right? It was like flooded and then dry in less than 30 minutes.
My man had on them big white Air Force Ones, the high tops. Those things were soaked, bro. They were probably like gained an extra pound on those things.
Yeah, probably. Well, we were waiting for over 40 minutes. I'm like, bro, let's just make a run for it. And then instantly regretted it once I took the first step outside and was legit underwater. My whole shoes and everything.
Yeah, and I was carrying a Leia. Had to make a run for it. Yeah, it's true.
It's good, Sandman. Yeah, bro, that Florida rain don't play.
So daily still respecting the highs. 4 hour candle did break the high. 1 hour still pumping up here. So we broke the lows down to 30. So nothing just yet here. Air Force floats. Word.
Damn, man. Morning, Z Gamer. Let's go, Wags.
Z Game. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. 1,000 people, but 279. So that means 800 of you guys didn't like the stream. 800. 800
Damn.
didn't like the stream.
Chat, give the stream a like.
Friendly reminder. Friendly reminder. Y'all be leaving me at like 490. Couldn't just hit me with the 500. Couldn't just hit me with the 500. That ain't right.
Doing my man dirty.
That ain't right.
You don't ask for much, bro, you know? It's like, come on.
Just give me one like. That's all I'm asking. Just one like. Oh, nice. Miami will be fun. Where are you going? You gotta hit up the Brio Burger joint. That's what I'm recommending all people who go to Miami. It's called like the Brio, I think, burger. Thank me later.
Bruh. Can't wait to try it. They gotta get one over here by us.
I'm about to drive to like Miami for that thing.
It's worth just getting on a plane ticket for it.
Alright, we'll see what we do here. So this is the target. So the wick has officially been filled. So we will see how we react now towards this zone here. Basically, this is your reaction zone. Somewhere in here. See if we start to reject. 4 hour closure as well is in a little bit. We'll see how we do. I'll be right back. Staying in Brickle?
Yeah, Goldie coming back
you
up.
You definitely got to hit that up then.
Yeah, I can't wait to give that burger spot a try when I get down there in Miami. Oh yeah, nice to see that 4 hour close doji there after London. Now we're coming back up. Interesting. Makes sense with news. But yo, chat, happy Thursday. Let's go. We're almost through another week. hopefully we all spent the week building good habits, and trusting the process. But yeah, another day here, Chad, just to be patient and disciplined to our plan. But we'll have a probability mindset, and we'll have great risk management and build good habits around those areas. It's good, Captain. It's good, Lights Fire. Yo, Lights Fire, man. That YouTube channel is sick, man. Keep up the great work. Good, Greg Ski. Good morning, TK. Louis G. Yeah, London session was a vibe last night. We were chilling. Right, Magnus? Talking about the wildlife. Yes, sir, Lights Fire. What's up, Coach Carter? Yeah, it was good. George, yeah, London was fun, man. Had a blast. Yeah, Sly, we were trolling. The rainstorm story was hilarious. Yeah, man. It was crazy too, y'all, because when we were waiting for the rain to stop, we there was this bird. A bird made like a calling. And right when the rain like stopped and it got like less less hard, and the rain was stopping, and the bird gave us a call and we ignored it, and then it started raining extra hard after that, and then we had to wait an extra 40 minutes, but should have listened to the bird. Yeah, Faxy Gamer. But yep. Hey, another day to attach ourselves to the process and detach ourselves from the money. Right? If you're having trouble not making any profits here in trading, it just could be because you're so focused on making money. And remember, if we go back to the source of majority of problems, over trading, revenge trading, over risking, it all goes back to the fact that you want to make money here. Right? And that's the goal, right? That's the goal, but we have to let that come naturally. We have to focus on the process, and then making money will be a byproduct to us building good habits, right? And doing the correct and necessary steps in order to get a certain result, right? All we control is the input, and the outputs take care of itself naturally. It's good. Why? Yeah, glory to Christ. Yep. Praise Christ for another day. Grateful to be alive today, right? Another day to count your blessings, count what you have and not what you don't have. Right? I think happiness is a perspective, and you change your view on things, by focusing on the good things and what you do have and not on what you don't have.
Daily highs have been swept.
Wow.
Push it. Interesting.
Yeah, we came back up there too, even after the 4-hour closed doji there.
Kind of had like a 4-hour celery play.
Yeah.
4-hour impulse play.
Impulse, yeah.
All right, let's see what happens now, because here we are. We have arrived into this area. Morning, TK. How are you, bro?
How was your trip, TK?
How was the Gramps? Maybe all-time high today? Maybe we reject here. Maybe we keep pushing through. I'm not too sure, but we will find out. Candle by candle. Stay up to news with Candle by Candle with TTE. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out together. All-time highs are sitting right there. There it is. Some good coffee in Mexico, right?
Mexico, nice.
Oh, we're not going to break these weekly highs. We're threatening the weekly highs again here. Once again.
Interesting.
Here they are right here. Broke all-time highs on Oanda? Oh, weekly highs. Oh, wow. Interesting. 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 Yeah, so we came here once, twice, rejected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So this is our 7th time in this zone here. Every time we came up here, price had created resistance, drove down. Created resistance, drove down. Resistance, resistance, resistance. And this was last night. So we'll see what we do here. Will we drive back down or will we keep moving?
High chance we head down.
Yep. High chance if we did it 7 times before, we might reject it again. Big things popping in Mexico. Let's go. Did you get a chance to preach with your grandfather or go see him preach? I told the chat, I'm like, man, this man was like 90 years old, just running up and down aisles. Here we go.
Wow.
Weekly highs have been smoked. And here come the all-time highs. Can we get it? Can we get a push? Surprised that didn't happen with like CPI.
Right. Witness some more history here.
Here we go. We're coming.
Oh, gold.
Weekly juice box. Here they come. Oh, not yet. Oh, and has been hit. Interesting. We do watch a lot of history together. Be telling my grandkids about these times. Sellers crushed, yeah. Let's see if we keep coming up here. Tomorrow's the last day of the week too. back up in these highs now.
Chill out, gold.
I want coffee now. TK got everyone wanting coffee. What a juice box here, man. Good for you, gold. Good for you. Gold said, yesterday's price is not today's price. Moving up. Let's go. Let's go. What will we do now?
Price keep changing on us. What's up, Morpheus?
Good cup of coffee. Who's in gold buys? Anyone?
Nice. Enjoy them profits.
Enjoy it. Money, money, money.
Oh, definitely lose, G.
Close 80%. Nice. W. Breakout trader. Nice. Nice, Jamil. We got a juicer.
Juicer.
Was in from 47. 47 on Oanda. Oh, here. Nice. Break of the highs. I shorted. Oh. Cells said no, not today. Yeah, we're pushing outside of that daily range now. Pushing out, pushing out.
I mean, that's good. I mean, I would have rather it to the downside, but
Yeah, me too.
do what we gotta do.
We couldn't push to the downside.
Right.
I mean, I love to push up, but then there's nothing here.
Exactly.
Am I in cells? No way. I don't trade the news candles. I just watch them. Discovery mode.
No, we can't. When we're above all-time highs, we can't use our cheat code. Looking left to get right.
We'll have to
We gotta
whip
be
out
extra
the
patient.
Fibonacci. That Fibonacci's
Fibonacci.
coming.
All right. These times call for it.
All you guys that took the
Eagle for
buys,
that.
y'all couldn't call the signal? Couldn't help a brother out?
Right, bro. I was waiting for something.
Just enter, don't even let us know. No signal, no nothing. Damn. Louis G, no little some, no signal? No signal on that little some? Let me find that little some. Right here? Dang. Come on, Maurice. Someone did say sell now. I must admit, I did see that, but I didn't recognize the name, so I didn't want to just take that signal. But if it would have been one of you guys, could have gave me a little heads up.
Thank God we didn't take that signal.
Man said sell now! Exclamation point. Homer
Then there's a
Simpson
big
style.
and then gold just juices.
Janosh.
Janosh, yeah, that's funny.
Janosh.
Janosh was that guy.
Nah, it wasn't Janosh. If Janosh said it, I would have took it. Are you telling us to sell now, though? Hey? Mate?
That might be something.
That might be a little some I might be interested in.
You know, we might be able to squeeze that in.
The feeling of missing out? It's all good, man. More trades will come. Don't even stress it. If you think about it, there's really no emotion to check, because there really shouldn't be too much emotion. You know, I'm not happy or sad or anything with this. I'm just watching it. I remember what I said when we came in today. I'm just observing the market here, right? The market doesn't owe me a thing. It doesn't, you know, I can't demand anything. All I can do is wait for my bone to be thrown out. You know, I know which bone I'm looking for, and if that comes out, I take it. If not, I just watch, I enjoy. I'm an observer.
Yep.
That's all.
An observer with no expectations, right?
Yeah.
Not expecting much. Just expecting to get information. That's it.
Yep. Just here for a good time.
Yep.
Jomo? Yeah. Dude, Jomo.
Yes, sir, TK. Yeah, facts, man. Forex mindset talks about it too. You know, good trading isn't a one-time thing. It's a habit. It's something you must consistently do every single day.
This thing's a
It's all
juice
about
box.
performing every day.
Yeah, we'll see how we do here. Oh, closed early. Closed early, gotcha.
See that 4-hour closure?
No. Let's see. All right, well, we'll see how we close here in about 3 minutes. Closures below, fade may be incoming. Closures above, we may have to wait a little longer. We also have this new hourly candle opening up too, so we'll see what happens. 15, very little wick. 30-minute is the same as the 1 hour here, so. Time to eat a car. Oh my God. You're hungry. That brother starving. What up, King Tuffa?
King Tuffa. It's good, bro.
Close below. Tuffa in the house. So did we break the all-time
Yeah, I
highs
mean,
here? We did not. We didn't.
Not on my chart.
We'll see how the reports come out today. Did we break highs or no? So pay attention to all the 4-hour candles when we came up here. Like this one, 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 and like this one. So we'll see what this next one has to offer here. Yeah, I know. I see it did on Oanda. Yeah. Broke the highs there.
Yeah, not on the future chart.
Either way, shouldn't make a difference.
Yeah.
4-hour candles on Oanda did the same thing pretty much.
Yeah.
Just drove down here. Yeah, there could be a wick fill too. So that's what we want to watch out for here. So as we're waiting on the fade, we may see like 15-minute candles attempt to fill the wicks here. Right? So it might be one, maybe two 15-minute candles that try and attempt to move up. So that's one thing we got to be careful about. Micah's in the house. Wow, look at this. And just like that, right back down. What up, Micah? How you feel?
Oh, what's up, Micah?
Amen,
That's awesome,
brother.
bro.
Amen. So happy for you, man. Good to see you,
Thanks.
bro.
Yeah, where, bro? Welcome back.
Welcome, welcome. There's your inverted celery. Inverted, inverted.
Not 15, yeah. That inverted play we took was money.
Money. What's up, Muhammad? How are you, man? One minute candle. Yeah, let's go look at that on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, nice little drop. 64 pip 1 minute candle. Ain't it great? Gold, yeah, for real, Xander. It does make no sense at all. Yeah, green numbers on the dollar, gold just flying up, so it doesn't really make much sense. But we may drop now. What if that was liquidity for us to just dump? So I am open for these sells, but we do have to get a closure below this purple zone here. Yeah, 15-minute closure should do. Yeah, I think the rate cuts had a lot to do with gold moving up, and now maybe these green numbers can bring us back down here.
Yeah, anyone take that 15-minute sell?
No, sir. That 1 minute sell.
That 1 minute sell.
You probably, if you took the sell, you may not have closed. I hope you did, but it was quick. It was quick. The bulls are bulling. The bulls are bulling.
True.
Yeah,
Gotta
when
love
in
it.
doubt, stay out. Simple game. Some of you guys, your leg is bouncing right now. Bouncing. You're debating buy or sell here. Don't do that, man. That's not the way you play this game. When in doubt, just stay out.
And what do we always say, right? I'd rather be out of a trade wishing I was in than in a trade wishing I was out, right? Always ask yourself that question too when you're second guessing, like, I don't know if I should get in, but I want to get in, right? So, yep. Remember, those are the moments where you separate yourself, right? Those are the moments where you're like, nah, I gotta build a good habit of being disciplined instead of getting in and trying to make money, right? That's where you separate yourself from the amateur to the professional. It's that fine line between building good habits and not being focused on the money. And throughout your trading session, there's going to be little moments where the markets are going to be tempting you to go against your plan, but those are your opportunities to now build upon those good habits, right? Discipline is a muscle that only grows when you use it and practice using it, right? So it grows when you be disciplined to your plan. And as you grow that muscle, it becomes easier and easier to be disciplined every day.
Yes, sir.
Those decisions matter.
Yeah, the only so for the competition, the only rules are going to be the drawdown rules. Yep.
Nice, way to give it a shot.
Do I look forward to trade on other assets? Yeah, we're gonna probably start to trade the NASDAQ a bit in the afternoon. Wow, nothing here with NAS. Interesting. This thing's waiting for 9:30 here.
Yeah, right. Waiting for the afternoon time. Gonna consolidate, and 9:30 is just gonna be one big candle, and then we'll just consolidate.
So remember, we still have room up until these levels up here. So we gotta leave room for that. Scalped 8 USD on the news, buying and selling 10 times. Nice. Scalping the news. Go my dump. Yeah, might. Let's see if we smash. Yeah, we kind of grabbed orders right here to maybe fill that wick there now. So like I was saying, give it like 1 or 2 15-minute candles. 9:15, 9:30 could point us in the right direction. Oh yeah, top ones. Yeah, they're sending out a belt. So the winner gets a 200K, right? Yeah, 200K account, and yeah, they're getting a they're getting a belt too.
So far.
Hopefully the direction ain't sideways, like right here, just sideways.
Yeah, at Broad Life, why do you why do you think you're on a losing streak? What do you think the main reason of that is? It's definitely a mental game for sure. $80 pip profit, yeah, nice, bro. Yeah, definitely call it a day.
All right, wicks being filled. There's that extra push. All right, cool. So let's see what we happen to do up here now. That's the push into that zone that we were looking for. And let's see. Whoops. All-time highs have been smoked. Nope, not yet. Almost. All right, cool. That was the distance. So now we see how we react here. 15-minute time frame should guide us here. Come as we creep towards 9:30. Yeah, I'll be right back.
What a bull rally. Daily salary, you definitely 4-hour salary. Wow, we juicing. Pitbill, this is the futures, gold futures chart. Don't do it, DS. Yeah, we got to remember the purpose of our plan, right? The plan, our trading plan, brings in logic and it removes emotion. It's not only going to help us, but it's going to safeguard us, right? It's going to protect us, protect ourselves, protect us from ourselves. Yeah, man. So when you know what you're looking for, man, that FOMO goes away, right? So if you know what you're looking for and you don't see it, then there's no reason to participate. Yeah, like we were talking about in the clubhouse too, last night. Like Nick said, this is the work, y'all. Like the work is about building good habits. That's what it's about. And habit is you overcome habit, right? You overcome bad habits with good habits. So you overcome habit with habit. So if the habits you got right now are bad habits, the only way you get rid of that is by focusing on building good habits now. And that's what it's all about, right? It's about detaching yourself from the money and focusing on the process, which is building good habits. It's something you must practice, right? Excellent trading is a habit, and you build the habit through practice. That's what it's all about, man. This is the work here, showing up every day, marking the charts, setting a plan and following it. Yeah, Dan, this could be one of those days where Swatch Gold juice up, right? But we also could see some rejection here too. That 4-hour time frame, right? We're heading into a direction where we rejected, created resistance multiple times and continue down too. So I'm curious to see how we're gonna react in that 4-hour resistance area. But yeah, we'll see. Yeah, gold could do anything here. You know, it could juice an extra 500 pips today if it wants to, really, you know? Like Nick says, we're just observers here today. We're just listening to the market, seeing what the deals are that they got to offer for us, and going from there. Yeah, Tails, I mean, that's not a bad idea, you know? It's the day like today, if you don't want to trade it, not a bad idea either, so. Yeah, I don't know, bro. My discipline is here and there, you know. I don't have a full book of plays. Yeah, man, I would focus, I would get a playbook of plays, right? That that are easy money plays, you know, that these plays that you see happening over and over again that, you know, have a high probability for you in your trading edge. You know, I would collect some data on some plays that have high probabilities on a consistent basis, right? And that you can make a playbook out of. But yeah, man, it could be, you know, as long as you're following a plan, man, then I think that's good. But it could be your lack of plan, you know, that could be a losing streak. But yeah, I have a playbook and that has helped me a lot. That has helped me remove FOMO. And that's helped me understand my moves, right? It's helped me understand what am I looking for in the markets.
$25.50. I think we already hit it. That you have to purchase the bundle on Trade-O-Vate. Yeah, it's under add-ons. So go to add-ons and then you'll see it there. Nice, Maurice W. That's always fun. Oh, new competition link. Yeah, so if you guys are going to be joining the competition, which we really would like some studs and studettes joining the competition, let me show you guys what we're talking about here. Where was that post? Was that on ASFX? Let's see, shorts. Yeah, right here. Yeah. So check this out real quick. Hold on.
Versus TTE trading competition. It starts September 16th. Yeah, so in just a few, we are announcing a ASFX versus TTE trading competition. It starts September 16th. So in just a few days. The way this is going to work is you can enter this for free. You're going to get a free account. It's a demo account. You're going to trade that account from the 16th to the 27th, right here in the qualifying round. The top 10 winners are going to not only get a free month of ASFX TV, they're also going to get entered into the final round, which is where the top 10 from ASFX are going to go against the top 10 from Nick Stewart's community, which is called Time to Eat, TTE. The winners after that second round are going to get a stacked value. So you'll see it right here on the sign up page. First place gets a 200K challenge account, the top 1 championship belt. They get a month free of ASFX TV, and you're getting a free coaching call with me. Second place, you get a 100K account, no belt, but you still get the 30 days of ASFX TV, and you get the 60-minute coaching call. And as you can see, even the people that finished 10th, 9th, we are announcing a ASFX.
So yeah, if you guys want to get a part of that, sign up with the link. The link should be out in Nightbot there. There's the new competition link. Yeah, we're looking for some good players and playerettes. Got it. We're going to go toe-to-toe with ASFX, man. We got to bring the heavy hitters out.
Let's go, TT.
Yeah, the current competition standings are looking really good as well, by the way. All right, 15 closure actually 15 just opened here. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, lovely. So we just got to wait. you know, if this candle can close below, I think sells are going to look really good here. Yee.
Yeah, Josh, me too, bro. I rather trade off trading view than trade over it. Definitely.
Oh yeah, by the way, so if you do take the challenge, right, or if you do jump in, you get a free account, right? So on that free account, regardless of whether you make it into the next round or not, you can carry over your profits. So you can carry your profits over into an actual combine / challenge account. Yeah. That's pretty sick.
It's fire.
Yeah, let's see what the current standings are. Pros and cons with TradingView? I think it's pretty good for the most part. I think the one con with futures is like no magic keys. So you gotta do everything manually.
Yeah.
What's up, Buzz Blab? My man, B21 in the house. What up, boys?
Yo, Buzz Blab. It's good.
By the way,
Yo,
if you
Nick,
guys are,
Bubba's
hold on one second. Yeah, that Bubba's Burger was fire. If you guys are subscribed to our email list, you should get an email today, pretty soon, with the link for the competition in it. So if you guys want to participate and you're signed up to our email list, just wait for the email and then you'll grab the link right there. Might be another buying opportunity. Maybe. 15 closure we're looking for. 9 minutes left. Because if we close above, then 9:30 might just continue to rocket ship. Is there a requirement to be a part of the community? Not really. You're kind of a part of the community. You're here.
Is it required?
You're here. Yeah, it's in the Discord too, I believe. Yep. All right, 30-minute pulling back, 1 hour pulling back. This 4-hour candle's pulling back here, so I think we can go higher today. Maybe. I want the fade. The fade. Anybody with 150? What contracts do you run on average? I think it depends on what chart you're using. Are you gonna be using the micros or the actual the COMEX chart? Which one are you gonna use? Yeah, so that one depends on what you're trying to risk, but I would start off with like maybe 1 or 2 contracts. Yeah, 1 or 2. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just see how you like that, and then. Yeah, let's do a fresh analysis here too, and let's just see where price is at. So daily candle's pushing up here, so very little to no bottom wick on the daily candle. We're just trying to crack the code here, right? We're trying to shake this range here on the daily. Just been very nasty over the last like 2 or 3 weeks here. So really just trying to shake out of that range. We're coming up in this rejection zone here. Looks like we've kind of ripped up to that all-time high. We kind of broke it a little bit there, and now we want to see what we do, how we react. Will we keep pushing, or will we start to move back down in the range here, right? That's the question. So let's take a look at the 4-hour chart real quick. 4-hour candles are closing up in about 36 minutes. If we look left, let's get this out of the way. If we look left, right where we are, just as we were mentioning before, right? If we kind of put some lines here, we'll notice that every time we came up here, we tend to drive down. We've come up, we've driven down. Right here, down, right? Right here, down. Down. So maybe, just maybe, we get some sort of a fake out here, and the 4-hour candle begins to push back down, right? Just like we've done it about 6 or 7 times now. So there could be the clue for our push back down here, as we've done that every single time. So let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour as well is kind of rejecting the area here. So we filled that wick, we had a strong push up, we came into that last final range in which we were looking at right here, and now it's all about, will we close above or below here? That should tell us on the 30-minute as well, and then you should get a 15 closure. And if you do get that 15 closure, I think top wick, and then we're set to fill that wick here at 9:30. But we got 6 minutes left, 5 minutes left for that closure. So we'll see what happens. We know that wicks get filled during high times of volume. You've got this wick here. Just depends on if you get a closure or not. Close below, looks good. 100 pip, 108 pip wick fill. Close above, tough. Gets tough. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty much it. Sells below here. Potential sells below, and yeah. Come back down to the range. I really like that wick fill right there, and that'll be what I'm looking at. If we don't close above, or if we don't close below, then yeah, there's not much we can go off of here to the left. We might pull out the Fibonacci. Fibonacci might be coming out.
Bring it out.
So that's it. We really don't have much price action, just a straight push up here. So that's all we're going off of. That's it. We'll keep it simple. The Fibonacci.
Bring out the handy tools.
That fettuccine. If we use that Fibonacci today, I'm gonna go get some fettuccine Alfredo.
Damn, bro, that sounds good.
I'm just kidding. I'm not getting that today. Maybe Saturday. Maybe Saturday.
Imagine Bubba Burger again for lunch. That'd be great.
Bubba again. Bubba for the win.
Stephen B, that sounds good, bro.
What?
Hibachi.
Hibachi might be the vibe, yeah. Nice steak
Yeah.
and shrimp.
That's the vibe.
I might be down. I might be down for that.
I am definitely down.
Email received. All right, nice. Yeah, you guys got the email. So yeah, the competition link will be
Got
in
it.
there. So yeah, check your emails and it should be coming at you.
Let's go. It's gonna be fun.
You made hibachi. Nice. I gotta make hibachi one day. Did you put on a show for like the family and all that? Feta cheese. You like turtles? Yeah, we seen we were walking the other day, so we have this big pond over here by our house, and we seen a bunch of baby turtles. They were just hatching. Pretty sick. Unfortunately, they were going the wrong way. But who am I to get involved with Mother Nature? Who am I to get involved with the circle of life? I wanted to pick them up and put them in the water.
Yeah, word, Scott. There was probably some turtles swimming in the road last night with that rain.
Surprised we didn't come across no gators. Just
right, bro. That would have been crazy. Like, yo, I'm walking on the street, but there's a gator swimming to me.
I can't even run. Yeah, I remember you used to go to North Carolina, and one year, South Carolina, Holden Beach it was called, and one year they had a massive turtle, like they blocked off the sand and all that, and they gave the turtles like a nice little red carpet ride into the ocean. It was pretty cool. It's like hundreds of them. Thousands. Actually, there's like thousands of them, it seemed like. Yeah, a lot of times we just ramble to keep you guys from over trading and revenge trading, to be honest. Yeah, help you guys with patience and stuff. It's very difficult to stay patient without somebody else there hanging out.
Yeah, man. Daily reminders at TT to be disciplined, to be patient.
All right, here comes 9:30 now. So let's see if we can pop up and create a little low here. Pop up, close a no wick. I might be interested, but we need a lower wick first, like that. Just like that. Now see if we can break the highs here. Got a lot of volume coming in now. Should have lots of volume. So once price gets around here, I'll set a sell stop. We want to see this candle attempt to fill that wick there. Yeah, we gotta break that high before I set this sell stop. I'm the one. All right. You are the one. All right, awesome. Looks good. So I'm gonna have a sell stop here on gold. Potential fade opportunity. I'm going half risk here because we may break that low and just continue ripping up, right? So I'm gonna go half risk on this position. I need to fix that. There we go. Yeah, so if we break the low, I'm in there. I would go half risk if I were you. I'll be going half risk here. We don't want to fight this massive bull move, but we do have signs that the fade should and could begin to play out with the volume coming in if we break that low. Big if, big if. Perfect. That's right where I wanted to see that top wick. Now we see if we could bleed. Losses are part of it. Yes, exactly. Imagine trading and really not realizing that. That's crazy. That made sense to me, right? When I first started trading, losses will be a part of the game. I'm not sure how some traders still just can't like understand that. Oh, would you look at that? Yeah, would you look at it? Just look at it. So yeah, break even for me is gonna be right around this zone right here that I got marked off in the purple, right before that wick fill, and then yeah, I'm gonna see if we can get this to run here. Got the email. How do I join the account on Match Trader? You probably have to download the platform. So there will most likely be a link in there for you to download Match Trader. So just download that, and then yeah, you should be good. What if we start running mindlessly? I don't know. Nothing. Two outcomes.
And you'll be wrong.
We win this trade or we lose this trade. Simple.
Right.
Simple, simple, simple.
And you're either right or wrong. The markets they're just always right.
They're always right.
So the markets are going to do whatever it wants. There's going to be a random outcome to your trade here.
But looks like we might break the lows here.
That's all the trading methodology is, right? That's all it means, is that there's a higher scenario that one day plays out over another, but and that the odds are in your favor, but that doesn't mean 100% guaranteed win, right? Just the odds are in your favor.
Okay, nice. A lot of you guys got the email? Lovely. Lovely, lovely.
Yeah, email's great. I got the email too.
You got it?
Sir. Love them TT emails, man.
TT emails. Get it? TT emails.
Yeah. Goes nice. TT emails.
TT. Triggered in? Yeah, me too. Triggered in here. Triggered in. So we'll see what happens. We broke the low once. We'll see if we end up breaking it again and driving down again. Half risk on this trade because we can go up just as easily as we can come down here. But we've got some signs. We've got this candle closing below. We got this guy with no top wick. This one here attempted to push up. Didn't really do it right away. Rebroke the low. So now it's just in the hands of probability. Probability game.
Yep. Random outcome.
I'm not looking for buys here. I'm looking to short the market. I don't really like the buys here. We've already pushed up quite a bit, but I do like the signs that we're getting for sells. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Just another trade.
I like stops back in the above those levels too. It's nice.
Scary. It is scary. It's getting scary.
That spread, man. Yeah, that spread lights fire. No joke.
As long as you're not over risking, you should be good. Should just be just another.
Yeah,
trade.
It's only scary if you're over risking.
How big of a space do you leave for your trade to breathe? This is what I got. So I've got the I've got my stop sitting above these highs here. So it's just above the normal high. I only took one contract out here, so I'm going very low risk on this trade. But yeah, my stops are above these highs here. Yes, sir. Yeah, I've only got one contract, so I usually go like 5 to 7 contracts. I only got one open here.
Nice way to size accordingly, bro.
Yes, sir. You think I'm trying to play crazy with gold? Not me.
Of course not, bro.
We'll run the idea, the playbook, but we'll go little low size here. Is it normal if I hear my heart? Is it normal if my heart is beating outside of my chest?
Why am I out of breath?
Why am I out of breath while I'm just sitting down?
Why am I all of a suddenly cold? Shivering? It's because you're over risking.
All right, you see? So let's see if we break that high there. If we do, we might run up. Might just rally all day. Know your numbers. Stops are getting hit. Yeah, mine is a little higher. We might get tapped though. Should we move it? What's my TP? My TP, I'm planning for that wick fill right there. So I want to see that wick get filled and then push on down if this thing actually survives. Got activated by spread. Yeah. Spreads are probably crazy here at 9:30.
Literally just got in.
Yeah, I just got nipped in there too.
Happens.
Why did I take the sell? Because we closed below the range with a rejection. This candle has no top wick, right? And then this candle kind of it made a low, started to push up, and then broke the low. So once it broke the low, that's a signal for me, based off of my data, to enter into sells here for a pullback to get this wick fill, and then move stops to break even, and then let it run. So that's my signal, my entry signal, so that's why I took it. We'll see if we survive. It's just another trade on the board here. That's all it really is.
Yeah. That's it. Like you said, it either goes in the win column or the losing column. That's it.
That's right. It's gonna flood down. It shall move down now.
It could.
It shall move down.
We've wicked down there before and rejected. Could happen there.
Yep. Yeah, you never know. It shall go down.
Yes, sir, Christopher. Blow on the candle, bro.
Yeah, you know the real trick is to do this. Spread the charts out. That way it gains a little bit more distance.
There you go.
Yeah.
That looks way better.
So much closer now. So if you have
Yeah,
to, just stretch the chart out. You'll give your trade a little bit more room to breathe. And you'll be out. Oh. All right. We got hit there, and we got hit on... there we go. Hit on top step too. All right. W trade. On to the next.
W trade. Yep.
Where's my daughter? Yeah, you know what? She's
Yeah,
still sleeping. She's still sleeping. That's what happened here.
Need a
All right, let's
Lele.
mark this bad boy up. Let's do this. Take a pick.
Yo, chat, you're watching a professional at his finest, man. What he do there? He saw edge, so he executed without hesitation. He was cool with his risk. So if he were to take a loss, he was cool with his risk. He had a stop loss TP. He got stopped, and his initial first words were on to the next W. And now he's journaling and tracking his data. Right? These are the clues and the notes, right, of a professional trader here. Hopefully you guys are seeing this.
The fadey. Break of current low. 15-minute. Almost quarter risk there. So yeah. Let's see where gold wants to move. Gold can be sassy sometimes. Yep. That's why we must use protective stop loss and good risk management in terms of how much you're willing to risk, and everything will be a-okay. You'll live to trade another day.
Sir.
Yes, that is true, PM Magnifico. So I found the same thing. So when we're really rallying, the fades tend to obviously not play out as much. You just got too much volume, too much momentum to the top side. So maybe what we do moving forward, right, is as we come to that realization, if gold is really rallying like that, right, then you just got to wait for actual confirmation closures, right? So we wait for 15-minute bearish closures before we go in and take our fade positions, only when we're really rallying like that, right? Today we're rallying up, so it's not just like a regular day. We're legit just pumping up here, breaking all-time highs and stuff. So on days like where you were getting those rallies, that's where we can say, you know what, let's wait for actual closures in our direction before we take the trade. Yep. And that alone may improve our fade probabilities from whatever it is now, like 80% to maybe even higher. So this is how we learn. This is how we learn in the game.
Yep. And it's all good, right? We have a technical methodology, right? We back that up with probabilities. We'll make that money right back, just like the casino does.
Yeah.
Right. So it's like, all right, cool. Losses are part of the game. It's a probability game, so losses are meant to be there. And the money, it's just gone temporarily, right? I'll get it right back on my next trade or my next 10 trades, whatever it may be, but we'll get it back eventually with our edge. So no stress.
No stress. If Aaron's here, I'm coming for it. Aaron cruising on the leaderboard, man. My guy's killing it.
Yo, good work, Aaron.
Hell yeah.
You are killing it, bro.
W idea. Yeah, I think so. Good observation there, PM Magnifico.
Yeah, word. Yes, sir, Christopher. Whenever the markets want to give us a play, we'll wait on that.
Oh yeah, we got all afternoon. I only went quarter risk too, so I got plenty of room here. Plenty of money to play with this afternoon. My level Fibonacci. Send it in charts for stream so I can take a look. How to recover from a drawdown you got into. Not because of edge, but poor trading. You have to get back on edge. That's all. You always gotta just get back on edge.
Yep.
Yeah. So whether you're poor trading, you have to really learn to stop doing that. You know, that's never gonna work. Ever, 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 ever. You're never gonna see long-term success by trading poorly, aka going against what you know works best. So you really gotta stick strictly what works best. Everything else is noise. Pick one way to trade and just trade that way moving forward.
Yes, sir. And I feel like we always know the answers, right? We just don't take action on that answer. But yeah. Yeah, the best way to recover drawdown, like Nick said, start trading edge and size down in your drawdown, right? Size down in your drawdown and trade some edge.
Yeah. Size it down.
And if you want, refund yourself, man. You know, refund yourself from your job or whatever it may be and start over again, trading good edge.
Yep.
But yeah, y'all, trading edge is so important in this game, and it's so crucial, right? It's a major hack of the professional trader. Because think about it, like it's a daily discipline, it's a daily practice of following your edge and building that habit. But you think about the same way the compound effect works for our wins, it's gonna work the same way in our losses, right? And we're gonna have losses when we're trading our edge. It's cool. We're gonna have 3, 5 L's a month, whatever it may be. It's a probability game. It's fine. But once you start making once you start repeating bad habits and bad mistakes, now the losses and the compound effect will go in the loser route, right? And the losses will start to add up now. And now you got a bunch of unnecessary losses that shouldn't matter, and it's compound effect, and it's gonna compound with your good losses, and that's gonna add up, right? So yeah, it's a daily discipline, daily practice of trading edge.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, PM Magnifico, yep. Fresh
10
restart.
minutes on the hour candle here. Nothing to the left. Nothing to the left. When you say trading edge, you mean trading with specific strategy? Yeah, specific strategy, rule-based system that you have pretty much collected data on that tells you what your edge is. So your data will tell you your edge, right? It'll tell you whether you have edge or not. So you gotta literally just rely on that, right? We were talking about, you guys ever use a cutting knife, like electric one, on Thanksgiving, right? All you have to do is turn it on and let the knife do the work. You just let the knife do the work, right? So that's how it is with trading. When you have edge, and when you have a probability, like a systematic approach to the markets with rules in place, as you follow those rules and you act on edge, it's like the knife. You let the knife do the work. You let the system do the work, collect the outcome for you. You don't have to force that outcome. You don't have to try, you just have to execute. That's all, every single time. Execute, execute, execute. Let the chips fall where they may.
You get paid to execute.
Yeah, you just get paid to execute, that's all. How to collect data? You use journals. Yeah, you gotta jot down, you gotta track every trade. Track the trades, put pictures of them, put notes, make sure you got all the information you need, so that way when you're doing like your 2-week evaluation, you have all that to go back to. Yeah, and as you consistently make those good habits, you'll start to see good results, right? The more you see good results, the more you're going to be willing to continue up with those good habits. And that's how the game kind of goes.
Right.
And you go, man,
Builds
oh
confidence.
man, I can't believe I was breaking my rules this whole time. It's like like when your parents try to tell you to try something new, like a new food, when you're a kid and you go, nah, I'm good. But then later on you eat it and you go, damn, can't believe I haven't been eating that for so long. That's the click that happens, the switch that goes off when you actually begin to get consistent in that rule-based approach. Man, should have been doing this a year ago.
And 100%. And I want to give you the 5 fundamental truths of trading from Mark Douglas that I like to remind myself before I get into any trade. And I'm just going to say it for the traders who haven't heard it. But the 5 fundamental truths of trading from Mark Douglas is, the first thing is anything could happen. All right. The second thing is you don't need to know what is going to happen next to make money. The third is there's a random distribution between wins and losses for any given set of variables that define an edge. And then 4, an edge is nothing more than an indication of a higher probability of one thing over another. And then the last one is every moment in the market is unique. I like to remind myself those fundamental truths before I get into any trade, just so I understand the truth, the hard reality, the hard truths of trading, that I could easily be wrong here, right? And all I have is the odds in my favor, but I could easily be wrong. The markets could do whatever it wants. So yeah, it helps my psyche, it helps set my expectations up right. And yeah. Boom. If you haven't heard that yet, check it out. Take note of it. It's great.
Yeah, and if you really can't wrap your head around that yet, just go watch a bunch of Mark Douglas videos. You know, there's hours upon hours of Mark Douglas online for free. So if you're like a Quaker, or if you can't really handle like the losses, or you just don't know what we mean by follow your plan and follow your edge, go check him out. He'll make it make sense for you.
Yep, that's where I learned it, from him. So yeah, he's fire.
All right, 1 hour candles closing in about 5 minutes. 5 minutes, so we'll see what happens. If nothing, we'll take this party to the clubhouse, and we'll see where we're at for the rest of the day. Still up pretty good on the day, so I've got profits to play with. Glad I went like quarter risk on that trade, and still got more gas in the tank here to play around with today. Someone clip that. Steven's ready. Steven B is ready for another nap. Nap number 2.
Clip it. Yeah, same Steven B. Yeah. I think my favorite truth out of those 5 is that there's a random distribution between wins and losses on any given set of variables that define an edge. That right there has saved me from over risking. That has saved me from getting tight of losing, and that right there has helped me accept losses. And I hope it can do the same for you.
There you go. And if you don't learn how to do those things, you'll eventually quit, because you'll either be out of money or you'll drive yourself totally insane.
Yep. There's a formula to it, y'all. Good trading results are guaranteed if you put the good work in. They're guaranteed if you put the work in. Like the Bible says, whatever you sow, you shall also reap. So if you build good habits in trading, you're only going to reap good trading results. It's only a matter of time.
So 15.
Same man Wags.
Trying to close bear here. Trapping buyers now. Maybe that was that last push. What do you know? Just happened to be the last push up.
Wow, is the flower going to close above those resistance?
Either way, it'll probably be a fake up.
Yeah. See that?
Yeah, if gold just keeps pumping, then it's best to just let gold pump, and then just wait.
Yeah, and if you're wondering, like, damn, how are we going to trade with the all-time highs? We've traded all-time highs plenty of times at this point now, but Yeah, you're gonna have to be a little bit more patient, of course, but we just trade the pullbacks and the trends, and right, and the retest. We trade the pullbacks and the continuation of trends. It's really it. There'll always be moves, you know, to trade and participate in.
Always. All right, 1 minute, and we got a closure. Four losses. Yeah, let's take a look. I think I have all screenshots besides one of them. So this was a loss here. This was a celery play. This was taken in the afternoon. So pretty much with this trade here, you had a closure above the range. I made a note here that I should have maybe used that range instead, but I was playing this range right here during that time. So we got a closure above. Entry was right here on the break of the high. Clean traffic to the left. Partial sitting right here. I mean, break even, and then, you know, partials up here. So that was one of them. It was a celery play taken at 1:30 p.m. Let's see. Then we got, damn, this one. Nothing on this one. Let's take a look at this one. This one was, yeah, so this was a breakout. So entered on this candle, had clean range to the left, was looking to close partials right there, and price pushed up like 10 pips maybe in profit, closed, and then this one just drove down. Yes, hit stops right there. And then I think, let me see, I might
Was that last night?
Yeah. Where was that other one?
I think we could have made an adjustment on that trade too, from last night.
Yeah, we probably could have waited for that support that we were really looking for.
Yeah.
Let me go to, I think the other ones are probably in trade of the day. So yeah, it's important to take a look at some of these losing trades. So you can see that they look no different in most cases than the winning trades. Just the outcome. The setups though look pretty much exactly the same. When was this? This was 9/11. That was our London move. I'm not sure if that one's up yet. Nah, that one's not up yet. Oh, we could take a look at, oh, that was that loss right there. Yeah, this one's not up yet. Once that one goes up, you'll be able to see it in trade of the day. Trade of the day. All right, what do we do here? So I think we closed on the 1 hour. We closed above, yeah. So I'm gonna take this into the clubhouse moving forward. We're gonna need some sort of 30-minute resistance or something going on here, and then there might be some more plays here. But if gold keeps running up though, then yeah, just gonna let this thing go today. Just let it walk the dog. Yeah, but if you do get 1 hour / 30-minute resistances, ideally back below the range, that's going to be your best bet here as we move on into the afternoon. Yeah. Verified on trade of 8. That could take, I believe, up to like 24, maybe even 48 hours. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys want to join the clubhouse, go to timetoeattrading.com and join up on the clubhouse. We'll be there all the rest of the day. We'll be there for Asian, London as well. And then we will see you guys back here for the Good Friday tomorrow. Yeah, Friday coming in, last day of the week. Week flew by, man.
Yeah, bro.
Flew by.
No, it really did.
Did we miss
Weeks are flying by when you're having fun.
Right? I don't think so.
Nah. Nope.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys in the clubhouse. What's the website? The website is right here, timetoeattrading.com. Yeah, just come over to the clubhouse and you'll find everything there. All right, we will see you guys there. Zoom, I'll be back in a few minutes. And everyone in live stream, we'll see you guys mañana. All right, walk up out of here. Keep your head held high here. There's going to be more opportunities today. And don't over risk, don't over trade, and we'll see you guys later. Peace,
Nick.
Peace, Johnny boy. Later, gang. Peace.
Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be busting, where they enjoy life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fox. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we slinging the rock. We kicking this beating, boy serve you sure. Even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me, yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. Till the day we see them. This feel like the moment we seeking, the day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk.